everybody, my name is Jennifer Maker. It's a beautiful day to show Cricut's new heat presses. The Bluetooth-enabled EasyPress 3, the super cool Hat Press, and the amazing Autopress. First, a special thank you to Cricut for sending me these new heat presses in advance so I can learn how they work and teach you everything I know. And as you can see, I've been really busy putting these new heat presses through their paces. I've tried all sorts of things on a variety of different materials, and I will share with you what I think worked the best. First, let's talk about the EasyPress 3. This is the next generation of the EasyPress, and this version has a special feature. It can remove all of the guesswork. Yes, seriously, it's so cool. It works in tandem with the free Cricut Heat app to send the exact time and temperature settings to your EasyPress 3. You just connect via Bluetooth, start a new project in the Cricut Heat app, choose your heat transfer material and choose your base material, and then it sends the settings to your EasyPress. Then you just follow the Cricut Heat app's prompt to press your project. You no longer need to worry about what temperature or time to press something because the Cricut Heat app does all of the work for you. You also have the option, of course, to use the EasyPress 3 with the manual controls if you prefer. But it's important to note that you'll need the free app to initially register, update, and set up your EasyPress 3. You can get the Cricut Heat app on iPhone, iPad, and Android. I use the EasyPress 3 to make this infusible ink Always Choose Joy t-shirt, this layered glitter iron-on vinyl tote bag with Beautiful, and the iron-on vinyl baby stats on the elephant's ears. The EasyPress 3 did a fantastic job with all of them. The EasyPress 3 is available in the 9 by 9 inch size like you see here, as well as a 12 by 10 inch version. So in the middle of my table here, we have the Cricut Hat Press, which has a curved heat plate so you can make hats without deforming and messing them up. The Cricut Hat Press works with a special hat form that tucks into the hat to give you a smooth and firm surface to press against. The Hat Press also works with the Cricut Heat app to send the directions right to your press to remove all of the guesswork. But you can still use the Hat Press manually if you prefer. I use the Hat Press to make this cute infusible ink trucker hat, these iron-on vinyl Dream Team ball caps, this layered iron-on vinyl bucket hat with the daisies, and this bucket hat with sassy on it, and this holographic sparkle Feelin' Lucky iron-on vinyl visor, and this sun-kissed straw hat. Oh, and I even used the Hat Press to add the iron-on vinyl flowers to the top of this stuffed elephant's head. I am super impressed with how the Hat Press allowed me to add infusible ink and iron-on vinyl to all of these curved and rounded surfaces without hurting them. And last but not least, we have the Cricut Autopress, which is a revolutionary automated heat press with a 15 by 12 inch heat plate and super simple operation. The Autopress is controlled by this handy control pod with easy to use dials, plus 4 preset buttons so you can make more things faster and easier. In addition to making bigger heat transfer projects, including iron-on vinyl, infusible ink, and sublimation, it can be closed with just 2 fingers. And when it's done pressing, it opens for you automatically, so you can be prepping your next project rather than babysitting the one you have going on right now. And it will fit on a kitchen counter. You can even store it vertically so it takes up less room. I am blown away by how amazing the Autopress is, and everything I made on it was a dream. I used the Autopress to make this glitter iron-on vinyl team t-shirt right here, this layered iron-on vinyl pillow with red and black, and the adorable baby bodysuits with infusible ink. I even made this wood sign that says "Dream Big." It's 2 inches thick. Yes, you can put things up to 2 inches thick in the Autopress. I am in awe of the Autopress. It is sleek, easy to use, and intuitive. Now, I know you want to know about each of these Cricut heat presses in more depth, of course, including how they work and all the things that you could make with them. And I'm super excited to show you. So I'm creating detailed setup and application videos for each one so you can dive in and really decide if these heat presses are right for your needs. Plus, if you like any of these designs that I used in my heat press projects, I've got them all for you free. You can find them along with more photos and details on these new heat presses at jennifermaker.com/Cricut Heat Presses. This is also where you'll find more answers to your questions, like when and where you can get these new heat presses, because I know you want to know. I can also help you decide which heat press is best for you and your projects, because I don't expect anyone to get all of these things. So, what do you think? Which one do you want? Let me know in the comments below. And if you have got any questions at all about these Cricut heat presses, please let me know. Just leave your question below this video or ask over in our Cricut Crafters group at jennifermaker.com/Cricut Crafters, where you can get advice, ideas, and help from crafters just like you. And that's it for today. But remember, I've got lots of other cool videos all about these heat presses. So be sure to check out my detailed guides on the EasyPress 3, the Hat Press, and the Autopress 2. Until next time, this is Jennifer Maker reminding you to craft a life you love.